Have you ever pondered about how humanoid robots come to life? These sophisticated machines, so eerily similar to us, are the result of years of technological innovation and painstaking attention to detail. Today, we're going to peel back the layers on this intricate process and delve into the fascinating world of humanoid robot creation. The first step in this process is establishing the design. This isn't merely about aesthetics, but also about functionality. The robot's design needs to mimic human movements and gestures as closely as possible. This involves a comprehensive understanding of human anatomy and biomechanics. Engineers study the human body's structure, movement, and limitations to create a design that can emulate us as closely as possible, from our bipedal locomotion to the dexterity of our fingers. Next comes the skeleton construction. This is where the robot starts to take physical form. The skeleton is typically made of lightweight metals, such as aluminum and titanium. Each joint in the robot's body is carefully crafted to mimic our own, with motors installed to enable movement. The complexity of this step cannot be overstated, as even a minor miscalculation can drastically affect the robot's performance. Once the skeleton is complete, we move on to the muscle system. In robots, this is achieved through the use of actuators. Actuators are devices that convert energy into motion, essentially serving as the robot's muscles. They're responsible for the precise movements and actions that the robot performs. The selection and placement of these actuators is a critical task, as they need to be powerful enough for the robot's movements, yet compact enough to fit within the design. The fourth step involves the integration of sensors and cameras. These devices serve as the robot's eyes and ears, providing the necessary data for it to interact with its environment. Sensors can detect obstacles, measure distances, and even recognize human faces. Cameras, on the other hand, enable the robot to perceive depth and color, much like human vision. The final step is programming the robot's brain. This involves creating complex algorithms and artificial intelligence models. The robot's brain needs to process the data from its sensors and cameras, make sense of it, and then decide on the appropriate action. This is where the magic happens, as the lines of code bring the robot to life, enabling it to respond to commands, navigate its surroundings, and even learn from its experiences. So, to recap, the process of creating a humanoid robot involves designing the robot based on human anatomy, constructing the skeleton using lightweight metals, implementing the muscle system through actuators, integrating sensors and cameras for environmental interaction, and programming the robot's brain with advanced algorithms and AI. This journey from a concept to a functioning humanoid robot is a testament to human ingenuity, marrying art with science in a way few other disciplines can. It's a complex, challenging, and incredibly rewarding process that continues to push the boundaries of what is technologically possible. So the next time you see a humanoid robot, remember the painstaking effort and sheer brilliance that went into its creation.